Shandong Xinhai Mining Technology Equipment Incorporated, devoting to providing customers with a full range of customized mine EPCM plus O services, is an international mine EPCM plus O service provider covering mine engineering, complete equipment manufacturing and procurement, mine construction and commissioning, mine construction management, mine operation management, as well as industry resources integration. Projects are spread across more than 100 countries around the world. Xinhai has completed more than 500 mine EPCM plus O projects, and served more than 2,000 mines. Xinhai has CNAS International Certification and Engineering Design qualifications. Mine design can be carried out in accordance with Australian JORC standards, Valmin specifications, and Canadian NI 43-101 standards. At the same time, Xinhai has Class A license of mine EPC project of mine engineering construction, can undertake the construction of various mine projects. Xinhai Intelligent High-End Equipment Production Center can provide a full set of main and auxiliary equipment for large and medium-sized mine production. Optimal solutions for your mine. Xinhai is at your service wholeheartedly.